So tired. Too much manual work. Welcome back. Today I'm going to give you a rundown on the Terraformer from IC2. So what you'll need is just the Terraformer, and to make that Terraformer you're going to need 3 dirt, an advanced machine case, a TFBP empty, and 4 glowstone. That will give you the Terraformer. And to make that TFBP you're going to need a electric circuit, an advanced electric circuit, and 2 redstone. So once you've done that, you're going to want to place your Terraformer down. Make sure you give this plenty of power because this sucks power like nobody's business. So if we link it up with my last piece of cable, there you can see we're ready to go. Now what you're going to do is make what sort of landscape you want. This is the chilling, so you put the empty one in the crafting table and then put 4 pieces of snow around it, and that will give you the chilling. And next, all you got to do is right click and off she goes. There you go. And you can see this baby is consuming power like, I think, faster than the mass fab. Wow, it's just going everywhere. And now just to show you that redstone signals will not stop this machine, if we turn it on, there you go, it hasn't stopped, it still keeps generating. So you can't get a redstone signal to stop this baby. Or if you want to stop it, all you have to do is right click it and it pops out. And there we go. And now for the fun one. Now if we use the flatification. Oh yeah, doesn't that sound such a cool word? Now, if we right click in, we are going to get... What's covering me? Whoa! Okay, wasn't expecting that one. There you can see it's covering us all in dirt. That's real exciting. Cheers. Oh, I'm going to need to stop that now. Oh, whew. That's a lot of dirt, don't you think? And just some notes to note about these machines, that the Terraformer's max input is 512 EU. And the Terraformer will use vast amounts of EU, just like the mass fab. I think it uses more than it. And it is very CPU intensive depending on the program. And the programs are like over here, the flatification, the chilling, and there are a few more you can make. So for the rest you can make, you will see now it does over a 4x4 chunk area. So I hope that has helped you in learning how the Terraformer works. And yeah, you can transform your landscape without even having to do anything. You can sit back and be a couch potato. Oh yeah. So as always guys, until next time, sit tight.